So hi, here's what one of the tools that I was able to introduce to me while I'm doing the module, which is the Asana. So Asana is one of the tools that most of the executive assistants using whenever they will be creating a project. So like for example, I did create a project here, which is for the product launch. So this product launch, for me to be able to set up a project, I have to click create, click project, blank project, and then put the project name, continue, and it will be directed to me right away on this kind of page. So one of the key features that I really love on this is that it is easy to navigate. A tool that can easily to navigate and can easily help me out regarding on creating a project. So like for example, once I was able to delegate all of the guest lists, so all I have to do is to put them here, and then after I was able to put it, I can just add a section for the things that was needed to complete this project. So like for example, the to-do list for this product launch. Um, I will just needing to add a section and then put to-do list and add a section again and then put approval and then add the section again and put finalization. So you can also add tasks. So add task is one of the key features as well for you to be able to not to get confused on what task that was being delegated to you or to a different person. And the features as well that I really love is you can just easily put an assignee on who is going to do the tasks. So like for example, I will put myself here, kind of the cleanest to do this task. And you can also put a due date for yourself to be able to complete the task. So it is easy and it's concise as well on the regarding with the date and time and the tasks that you will be doing. So that's what I really like about Asana. And after that, um regarding with the Notion, which is the second tool, what I really like about this is once you like created the project in Asana, you since Notion is one of the tools that is always being used by the clients and the executive assistants. So you just have to import you know, the project that you have created, and then here you go. You will be having all of the tools that you created the project that you can import it from Notion. So like for example, I did create it in Asana. So I just need to click Asana and it will provide all of the project that you have created in Asana. So you just have to click it and then choose a theme space and then click My Athena Activities and then hit Next. And it will be directly import your data from Asana to Notion, which is you will be having this kind of page. Once you have this kind of page, what I really like about this is that it is very specific and very easy to navigate. So like for example, if you wanted to view all of the project that you have created for that specific month, you just have to click calendar view. Once you click calendar view, like for example, the project that I have created, it is listed here. So it is also has some progress regarding on how am I doing so far with the project. So it is very specific. And you will be having an information as well regarding on the progress of the tasks that you are doing. And aside from that, since I mentioned that this is very specific tool, you can just click mine if you wanted to check the delegated task that was assigned to you. So it will show up here and you will be having all the tasks that was being designated or delegated to you. But if you wanted to view all the tasks, you will be having this one. And you can add new tasks as well. And aside from that, here. So this board section is really helpful as well. If you were able to tag it as done, you will be having a section list of those tasks that you were able to do already. And if it's gonna be in progress, it will show in the in progress section. And if it's not started, it will be having there, or it will be listed in not started. So what I really like about these two tools is that it can be really helpful whenever we are creating a project for a client. So like for example in Asana, so like what I have mentioned, it's very specific. It is very easy to navigate, and you can create a project in a timely manner as well. So since the software that our clients is using for us to be able to track the progress, to track the project, or to track on how are we doing with the project, they are using Notion. So Notion is very helpful as well. You can just easily import a data or any projects that you have created to any tools, because you will be having an option there on what did I show you earlier. You will be having an option here on what tool are you going to use to import the data. Like for example, this one, Asana, Confluence, Google Docs, Dropbox Paper, Monday.com. You can easily use as Notion as a diverse software system for you to be able to like import all of the projects, all of the data that you have created on a specific time frame. So yeah, I think it will really help a lot of unaspiring executive assistants to easily do their projects, provide a quality project to your clients or to our clients. And yeah, I think this two tools is really important as well, since it plays a vital role whenever we are creating a project to our clients.